Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to replace a outer tie rod end on a Dodge Neon Srt4. Same for the Dodge Neon. So the first thing I did is jack up the car, use a jack stand. Helps if you have some of this PB Blaster. Anyways, you're going to want to spray it right here. And then right here at the bottom. So what I used, 7/8 wrench, it's probably metric, but it still fits snug. So what I did is put it on there, and then you'll twist it until the tie rod is looking like that, where it's actually have some force. And then you're going to use the hammer and smack it. So mine's already broke loose, but I'll give you a demonstration if I do. So tighten her back up. Just like so. And then you just hit it until it gives this, the inner tie rod will twist a little bit, but that's okay. You're just trying to get this part out. And then next we're going to go ahead and take this bottom one off, that's an 18mm, and this one's pretty rusted. So it gives you the ability to break it free with a little wrench at the bottom and then having a bigger wrench up top. I'm going to try to hit it with air first and see if that works. If it just spins, then I'll go ahead and get the 2 wrenches and try it that way. Alright, so the air worked, so I didn't have to worry about using the 2 wrenches. So now once you get to this part, you're going to use the hammer and you're going to hit it out. If you're going to be reusing this tie rod and you're just trying to pull it, put the nut back on it so you don't fuck with the beginning. So now we're just going to hammer her out. Also, I'll kind of show you what mine was doing, if it does it. Shouldn't have that much play in it. Alright, and then now you're just going to spin it off. Fall off eventually. And there she is. You can tell by the boot it was pretty wore out. But I installed the coilovers. Yeah, they're just Racelands, but I needed some. And then when I put it back together, steering wheel wasn't straight and it felt really loose. And so that's when this ended up going out. So now we're going to go ahead and replace it. Alright, so here's the replacement. Comes with the nut. I think these run like 20 bucks. So they're not bad at all. It's always good to compare. Make sure they're the same size. Boot's a little bit different, but that shouldn't matter. So now we're just going to put it on the same way we pulled it out. So we're going to thread it on, and you're going to try to see where the old threads were. So we basically kind of want to thread it on to like right here. That will keep it at its closest alignment. More. Back off one. Okay. So now you're going to take the nut off the bottom. And then you're going to pull it back. have it slide through like so. Put the nut back on it. Sorry. Then I'm going to use the air to tighten her down. Yep. So my replacement's a 19 mil. Sit properly. Alright, she's tight there. So now we're going to start threading this back on. And it's a good idea just not to put that strain on the boot. If you can, grab another wrench and hold it there. Nice. Alright, then you make sure she's all good and tight. And she should look like that when you're done. So like I said, the main thing is to kind of watch and make sure you look to where the tie rod was before. That way your alignment's not completely thrown off. And so now it doesn't shake anymore, so we're good to go.